Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to translate videos in Synthesia and create localized versions of your content for different audiences. First, open Synthesia and select the video you want to translate. Make sure your original video is complete before starting the translation process. Review the script, avatar, voice, and visual elements so you have a clean version to work with. Next, look for the translation or language option available for your video. Select the language you want to translate your content into. Synthesia can help you adapt the spoken content into the selected language while keeping the video structure and presentation consistent. After choosing the target language, carefully review the translated script. Don't immediately generate the final video without checking the content. Pay special attention to names, numbers, technical terms, product names, and phrases that may need a specific translation. If necessary, edit the translated text to make it clearer and more natural for your audience. Next, choose an appropriate AI voice for the target language. Select a voice that matches the tone and style of your original video. You should also check the avatar presentation and make sure the translated narration works naturally with the visuals. Now preview the translated video from beginning to end. Listen carefully to the pronunciation, speaking speed, pauses, and overall delivery. Check the subtitles and on-screen text as well.